Hello and welcome to the very first tutorial in Catia for engineering drawing. As we know, Catia is considered as the biggest and strongest CAD program. So now I am starting Catia, and here is the starting interface, and just like and this is the interface. You can see start, version 5, file, edit, view, insert, tools, window, help. So now let's make to the file and make new, and here when you start new you have different types. That is one of the reasons why Catia is a strong CAD program, for the many options it has, and we will see later in the workbenches as well. So now let's start a part. Simply it is a part, and okay. And here you can enter the name, just simply part 1, and this is part 1. So now I am going to go to the important menu for the interface. It's called the option. It is found in tools and options. In this menu you can deal in many stuff about the interface. I'm going to change the units. Let's go to the units, general, and here you can find the parameter and measure units. In the length, be sure that it is in millimeter, the mass in kilogram, time in second. So in case it is not in millimeter, you can change it here. So make sure it is in millimeter. We're going to use the millimeter and press OK. Also, another thing for the auto save, let's again go to the option, general, and the automatic backup every 15 minutes. So it will be automatically saving your designs. And another thing I'm going to show is the workbenches, which are unique for Catia. We have the infrastructure. It contains a lot of workbenches to work with, mechanical design and shape analysis, digital mock-up, and a lot of workbenches. For example, the most used one for the beginners and who are new to Catia, it is in the mechanical design, part design, and here's ask you to create a new part. I'm going to make OK, just close that one. And if you want to change the workbench, for example, we are in the part design workbench. We have this set of tools, the extrude and the basics features. For example, if you go to the assembly design, it will work with assembly, and you can see here you have the assembly tools, and you can go to sketcher, mold design, wheel design, and each of these have its own set of tools. For example, if I go to the generic shape design, okay, so it has its own tool set. I'm going to close everything and show you that we're going to start with the part design workbench in our working.